What's been a fun project you've worked on?
A fun product, I got to say one of them is the Grille restoration part. The Grille was for early 70s Ford Torino. Company that brought it to us, they sold vintage Ford parts. Parts were not available. We did some market research when this was brought to us to see if there was enough of a market out there to justify the tooling. Because the tooling was not going to be an inexpensive tool. A lot of rib cutting and a hot manifold on it, which is expensive. When they brought it to us, there was already a failed attempt. We made sure we opened up a lot of communication with the customer. What are you looking for? What are your expectations? So once we had the part scanned, we scanned the last of the new old stock, brought it into CAD, determined where all the parting lines were, how the tool was built. From there, we suggested a change to bring the tooling cost down more, which was to move the parting line. It was going to thicken the rib in the front a little bit, but it was also going to make it stronger. We gave them the choice. We could do it either way. We could make it exactly as it was, or we could make this change. He chose to make the change to keep the tooling cost down. It was accepted fairly well. 80-20 on people liked it because they could actually utilize it. The original design was inherently weak, thin, and it would break easily if it got a rock chip, anything hit it. So a lot of the people they liked it because they could actually go out there, drive their car with this on, and it wouldn't break. So we did it. We built them the tooling, had good luck with it. We scanned the stamping. The stamping looks exactly like whoever stamped it back when it was made. So other than the front where the rib is a little thicker, you can't tell the difference from the NOS. And again, we're looking to expand that reproduction base more. We have the ability to do that, but also in the 80s vehicles where people started vibration welding things together. When you watch the automotive advance over the years where everything was screwed together, things are starting to get bonded together. Now it's more difficult to reproduce part. You could glue it together, but it's not going to be as well. So we can look into doing a lot more reproductions in 80s style vehicles along with these old ones.